Looking to cover up those ugly pulleys on your Subaru? This is the Subtle Solutions pulley cover. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Subtle Solutions pulley cover. Now, I've got the box open already and unwrapped because these things come very well packaged, but I just wanted to pull everything out of the box here. All right, we're just gonna set that off to the side. So you do get a sweet Subtle Solution pair of stickers. Thanks, Subtle Solutions. And a thank you for ordering from Subtle Solutions. All the hardware you're gonna need to install that, and we'll go over that in just a second. But the actual pulley cover itself. I love the kind of the negative print of the Subtle logo. So it's just basically like they covered it up while they're powder coating and then peeled it off, which is very, very cool. This beautiful red powder coat. This would match the STI intake manifold probably pretty close. But the whole point of something like this is just to cover up your factory pulleys and get rid of that crappy black plastic pulley cover. Now this will work on the 02 through 14 WRX and the 04 Plus STI, as well as some Legacies and Foresters and things like that. But this is mainly an aesthetics piece. Now, of course, it will help protect the belts and stuff like that from dirt and debris and stuff, but honestly, it's mainly just for looks. And of course, you've got this cool alternator heat vent, if you will, just to relieve heat from the alternator. But it is truly a very cool piece. Now, the hardware that's included is very high quality. Of course, you have these aluminum risers and then everything you're gonna need to install it all organized there, very nice like, and of course you've got both left and right here. So it does come with everything you're gonna need to install. Installation is gonna be incredibly simple, probably take you all of 20 minutes to get this thing installed. So if you are looking, to spruce up the engine bay, you have like a red theme, or of course these do come in different colors, but whatever it might be, this is just a nice piece to cover those ugly pulleys. Unfortunately, we do have to look at them on the Subarus, but not if you have something like this. Very cool piece. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.